Hello everyone, my name is Sara Kidwai and today I will be doing an experiment to demonstrate the law of conservation of energy by using a simple pendulum. So here, as you can see, I have tied some string to a bob and this is the pendulum. So I will mark this point as O, this point as A and this point as B. So A and B will be the points where the pendulum will swing to like this. So we observed that the bob goes from O to A, then back to O, and then to B, and back to A. The two extreme positions A and B are at the same height from the mean position, which is point O. When the bob is at extreme positions, its kinetic energy is zero. However, its potential energy is maximum at extreme positions. It is because the bob is at maximum height from its mean position. At the mean position, the bob possesses only kinetic energy. Between any extreme and mean position, the bob possesses both kinetic and potential energies. Throughout the motion of the bob, the sum of kinetic and potential energy, which is mechanical energy, remains constant. Thus, the total energy remains conserved. From this experiment, we can conclude that the law of conservation of energy also holds good for a simple pendulum. Thank you.